The base is the platform that rests on the workpiece while making a cut. It provides a stable base so you can make an accurate cut. The base is made of lightweight magnesium. The base can be bent, cracked, or broken if the saw is dropped. Replacing the base is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the base lock lever from the saw. First, I remove the retaining clip. Then the nut. Now remove the preset angle knob from the base. Behind the knob there's a small spring. You'll want to be sure to remove it as well. There's 3 small set screws that attach through the bottom of the base. I'll remove those next. At this point, I can remove the base from the saw. And I'll remove the edge guide knob from the old base. I can now discard of the old base. Now I can install the new base. I'll insert the pin on the front of the saw through the hole in the base. Now I'll line the base with the rear adjustment quadrant and install the pin we removed earlier. The pins are secured with 2 of the set screws. I'll go ahead and install those. And now install the 3rd set screw. This screw sets the 90-degree stop. You may need to go back and adjust this later after the base is completely installed. Now reinstall the bolt for the bevel lock, followed by the washer, and then the nut. Now I'll need to set the tension on the nut. To do that, I'll place the lever over the nut in the unlocked position and begin to lock it. I want to keep doing this until I have the proper tension on the nut to keep the base locked into place. You need to try a couple different positions to get it right. That seems good, so now I can reinstall the retaining clip. Now reinstall the preset bevel knob. First, I'll place the spring into the opening on the housing. Now place the washer over the hole for the screw. Next comes the knob, and I'll secure it with the screw. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the edge guide lock knob.